All right. Man, it's been a while. Pause the music for a sec. So, it's been a long time since I've done a live stream. I'm working on a little bit of a side project right now. Where should I start? I guess some life updates. I moved a very far distance. I used to live in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. Lived on Vancouver Island on the west coast of Canada. I now live on the east coast of Canada. I'm living in Halifax, Nova Scotia, and I brought all of my wonderful plants with me. Um, and it turns out there's not really much of um much in the way of carnivorous plant sales here in Halifax. So I decided that I would fix that. And so I've created a little website called Halifax Carnivores, and that is the side project that we're working on today. I imagine that most people stumbling on this are not going to know who I am or any of my backstory. This is new to be streaming on YouTube. I don't usually stream on YouTube, I usually stream on Twitch, but I don't have my two-factor authentication, so I have to wait for that. But I did commit to doing regular streams, even if it was just coding in public streams and not any kind of educational stream. Hopefully, some people will find this interesting and start tuning in on the regular. That would be fantastic. And if not, that's okay too. If you're watching this in the VOD, appreciate you. Hope you get something out of this. I'm going to be working with SvelteKit today. I've been bouncing around on frameworks and which framework I really want to use for a long time, and I think SvelteKit's it. Everything that I've tried to build and every excuse I've tried to give myself to use a different framework has always led to me just scrapping the project and coming back to um, SvelteKit. So I think SvelteKit is it. I do like Astro. Astro's a good option for some things, certainly, but I just can't, justify reaching for that when SvelteKit works just as well. It's just as fast, just as easy to work with. In fact, I think it's maybe a little bit easier to work with. So yeah, so that's where I'm at. So I don't know, what am I building here? Let's load up. All of the junk. I do have it running, don't I? No, I don't. Oh, I should probably start VS Code. Oh, I can probably get this out of the way too, right? You don't really care about that. You don't need to see that. Cool, cool, cool. So I've done a little bit of work on it already. Nothing extraordinary. Just dumping some stuff in here. We are using Tailwind CSS for styling and also TailwindUI so that I don't have to worry about, you know, doing this all from scratch. I'm gonna customize it quite a lot. It's not gonna look so tailwindy in the end, but I've already got my dashboard working the way I want it. It's responsive. Um, Things open and close when I want them to, the way I want them to, so that's great. Um, that's super interesting. I just magically opened another copy of this on the other screen. Never seen that happen before. What just happened? Did I like double click something and it? Never seen that glitch before. Anyway, yeah, so just looking for like a basic introduction blurb. This is really long. AI generated it. I'm going to save some pieces from it, throw the rest of it out. It's just there kind of as a placeholder for now. at some point I will push this live just because I've been talking about the website with a lot of people. So at some point, hopefully, I will have something to show them. I will be doing a blog. Um, this is going to be primarily just like little bits of tangential information. Good place to post all of my plant care tips so that as I'm selling plants, I can give people a link and that'll have information about how to keep the plant alive. And yeah, it's just, I think care and maintenance is honestly going to end up in the blog. And I do want to do like one event a year just so people can come, nerd out with each other. We can build a bit of a network with different growers and different just people in the community, different plant shops and stuff who might, be interested in buying some of the stuff that I'm growing. Um, yeah, and this is basically just as a side project as I look for work here in Halifax. The market's a little bit funky right now, from my experience. I am a very new developer. I only graduated with a formal education last May, so I understand that I don't look particularly skilled in this area. So I figured maybe live streaming some of what I do might also help with that. That's the theory, anyways. So hey, if you're a job hunter, you're checking me out, you like what I do, awesome. You should go check out roga.dev and find your way to my resume, find your way to get in touch with me. And yeah. So, I don't know. I guess that's all the chat I have right now. Also, I want to tell you, I got a couple other projects that I'm working on as well. Um, there's a cool AI project. I'm not sure I'm ready to divulge just yet. I'm really excited about the AI project and been working on it just in like bits and pieces as I find time. But hopefully, doing these streams, I want to stream for 4 hours uh, every day, Monday to Friday, every day. And streaming it will like keep me honest about it, In theory, we'll see how it goes. It is kind of nice. Oh, I skipped a step. Part of my background, I sold a business in Victoria when I left, just as I graduated. So I graduated, sold my business. Excuse me, sorry, too much coffee. Graduated, sold my business, moved out to the East Coast here to be closer to the fiance and the fiance's family. And that is why I'm here now. So these little businesses are something I'm familiar with. My previous business was a exterior cleaning company. Excuse me, sorry. Award-winning exterior cleaning company in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada, called Moss Away. Yeah, let's check out the website. Let's plug the website. Why not? And I even did a secondary website as part of my second. Oh, let's talk about the Astro logo. Gotta fix that. Yeah, I did a little secondary website here, and I used AI to generate my little moss monsters, which I think are super cute. These are moss monsters getting covered in spray. Um, I think it's a fun little website. Just really, I love these so much. I don't know. Yeah, but mossaway.ca is the primary website, and yeah, I don't know. We did specialty exterior cleaning, focusing on roof moss removal, which is a big problem in wet environments like um, Ireland. But yeah, um, since selling that, I've been kind of just looking for the next project. I would really like to just work a regular 9 to 5 and not have to do the business owner hustle for a little while. Probably a couple of years would be kind of nice. It's a lot to start your own business and be the guy and be responsible for all the things all the time. So it'd be nice just to have a nice 9 to 5 and focus on programming and problem solving for other people. Anyway, until that happens, I'm gonna just keep side hustling until I find something I like. Okay, let's see here. We can probably minimize this tech thing. And I've got some lo-fi beats. There's a link in the description if you like what you're listening to and you want to listen to it as well. Feel free. It is stream safe. I did check. If YouTube blocks me, they block me, but I did check. It says stream safe. All right, so I'm gonna keep this over in the side window. How am I gonna like show you this here though? All these errors. Oh yeah, link to image is not found. That's fine. Like ideally, this would be over here someplace, maybe like a taller. Could bring this out of full screen and like jiggery this around somehow. About yay. Figure out as I do this here. Let's just figure this out. Going back and forth. That should work. Just down on the bottom instead. Close that one. I think. Oh shit. Let's do here. Bring the terminal down. Why are you doing this? Reset location. There we go. Okay, great. Cool. Let's see here. The thing is, if I try and make this bigger, this happens. You know? Doesn't exactly work how I wanted it to. Okay, let's just try and work with it here. You know what? This might actually work out okay, because I can take this little handy chat window and I can hide it over here. Yeah. Cool. Cool. I just have to remember these are this way for a reason, you know? I suppose I could kind of make that a little bigger, like this. What do you think? Meh. Make it work. Would like these errors to go away, so let's just find a couple of crappy images and stick those in here. That's a nice looking Drosera, hey? It disappeared. Ooh, what just happened? Oh, you just put that there for no reason. Cool. Yeah, thanks, Windows. Good job. Yeah. I think these just go into the static. Suppose we could do like an image folder. I was gonna replace the favicon at some point. You like that? Our store section, we did some hero images here. Let's do SRC, or sorry, no, let's do image. That's all we need. Yeah, perfect, cool, awesome. That's actually supposed to be the Venus flytrap. Let's do this. Yeah, that's looking good. Let's do it this way this time. Stick it in there first, rename it second. Venus flytrap 1. Small appendices. I actually think I have any good photos for this that I want to use, so let's do a little googly Google here. What's that free image site? Pexels? Cool nepenthes in the wild. None of those are like, oh, that's funky. What is that? I want it. Oh, not really what I want. But got anything from my not saved many photos of my plants on this computer. Certainly not this computer. Let me look at my photos here. 1 sec. Yeah, you know what? Use this one. It's not exactly a small, or it's not exactly a small nepenthes, but that's okay. I gotta find a way to rotate this screen 90 degrees. The metal screen is so large now that. Ooh, that's pretty. This is a good one. Okay. And it's the same plant, actually. That's okay. That's fine. Okay. Because I think we got small and then large. Yeah, that's fine. We're going to put these two in here. We'll rename them. Like that for now. I think that's the same plant. I'm like 90% sure. Cool. Cool, cool. This gets rid of the error messages. So let's go look at this section and start working on that. Can't hear that. It's filtered. Is my voice getting cut off at the beginning of every sentence? Maybe that's just a delay in the audio levels. I'll have to watch the vlog later and make sure this is actually sounding okay. Oh, God. Okay, let's check this out. Now, this giant gap here that I do not like. It's above the March 16th section here, this little bit. That's super confusing. Where's the gap coming from? This ginormous gap. What's up this way? So there's the dev BG white and then two down from that. Dev BG white, two down from that. So it's this thing. Somehow, some way, we're gonna get huge Y16. Like, is that? Let's just try it here. See. That do what I wanted it to do? Nope. Nothing. Nothing at all. Oh. Cool, cool, cool. Hate these errors. Let's get rid of that. I do believe I want the gap because I want space in between each one of these, but why it's giving me, and gap should be between two elements. It shouldn't be just a padding to the top margin, top 16. There we go. Why? Why you do this? A margin top? Should we just do maybe? I feel like we should have. It's still enormous gap here. Why though? Adding a 40 pixels for no discernible reason. Should be a padding. Oh, here, medium padding top. Where is that coming from? Medium padding top. Okay. Let's just get rid of these. Ha! There we go. Okay. So UI 4 and see what that does. 6. Does that look? Not bad. Not bad. We're going to be bringing in these articles dynamically, so let's do this. Up to ChatGPT here. What do we want? Title, description, time. Still like this. I don't know. It's just like the category, I suppose. And then the category like link, I suppose. It's probably what that is. Yeah, then we can maybe dynamically render those as well. I'm gonna maybe expand on that later here in a second. Categories. Article link. Description text. Author, maybe author title. Exotic. I don't know. Let's try it out. GPT-4 should be able to figure it out. Oh, coffee is cold already. Oh, I fucked up my prompt. Oh. I enjoy not having to do some of this mindless stuff. Just let AI do it. You know what I mean? Like, why do humans have to come up with these placeholder bits? This is still placeholder, but it's effective and it's really good. Like, this is better placeholder text than I could come up with. And oh, forgot another thing. Forgot another thing. Categories. I always spell that wrong every time. 38. Think you'd learn, right? For the categories, this should be array of objects. Each category is a category has a title and a link to that cat. Okay. Third time's a charm. That I'm an exotic plant enthusiast. I also wonder if I should put this type into my type file. Oops. Cool. So let's do that. And then let's break these out. Each categories Link index. Wait, do we use the index? Should this happen to be a key? No, I don't need keys. What am I doing? Why do I have the I here? Categories, array, let's do href. This is all the same, yeah. Title, okay, great. Good, get rid of this. This href is going to be link to article. Let's just say the word. Right? That should know this link means in this each block. Tell you what, let's just be real specific. Every time. Every time. Title, I think, right? I don't think I'm going to have a link to the authors. Let's just do a div, get rid of the href. Why are we doing this that way? So what did I just do here? Oh, I see, because we had it. Span is of by what? Absolute inset 0. What is this doing? Why does that work but the other one doesn't? It's very interesting. We'll do this. I'm not the greatest at digital. Not the greatest at some of these things. Categories, yes. Link. Categories. Categories. Did I type cat categories? Oh, it's a good thing I'm not doing this live or anything. Author, other title. We could like put author into an object and then have author.name, author.title. That's probably the better way to do it, right? Oh, not just be an object. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cool. Cool. Yeah. Title, description, date time. Date time. I like it like this. Daytime. Categories. Yeah, that's great. Yeah. Yes, let's do this. Actually, let's just make this easy on myself. Go like this. Tell it using okay. Something like that. I don't know. It'll figure it out. GPT-4 is so low today. I suppose I probably could have done this in 3, but whatever. 3.5 or whatever. Still have errors. What are we looking for? We just called it blank. Yeah, and this is different now, so we need to go. Is it the author? Oh, here we go. Like this. Boom. Error. Boom. Error. Ooh, whoa. I should probably change that photo. Doesn't look a lot like me, does it? Should probably try and keep it just to one one topic per. These chips look a little large, and if I get something with several, then I don't know. So maybe I could have like a primary topic for each of my blog posts. Let's do that. Let's do a primary topic. That's better. Is that not how you would do this? Oh, I see why it's complaining, because I said that the category doesn't have this property yet. TypeScript still kicks my butt every once in a while. Or undefined, because I may not have that property at all. For here, how do we do that? We do it like this, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Cool. What are we working on next? I don't really know what to do yet for the events. And again, I think I'm going to probably get rid of the Karen maintenance. This is probably going to be similar to this, but the blog articles that we're going to pull are going to be ones of a specific, that contain a specific category. It would actually be the same 3 as these in this particular instance. I'm just going to get rid of it on the home page for right now. Or we could just say section coming soon. I like that. Ah. This is super long, and I kind of hate it. See what TailwindUI has. It's kind of like the hero section, but not really. Do this with a picture of some plants. Halifax Carnivores in the description. Could also do this, but I don't really have like a profession shot of all the plants. It doesn't look really good. Not yet. This would be probably the ideal option. I like the little slant. Slant is better. Oh, we could also do it something like this. That might be cool. And it could just be a couple different photos. I like the couple different photos. Shows like you got a couple different products to sell. Like, like the one photo. If you're the product and you're selling, your team shot here, like that's a great way to go. But I've got several items that I want to get people interested in. Different customers like different products. I think I like this one the best. I think I like this one the best. So let's copy this one. Let's create a homepage hero section. It's not going to need any props, I don't think. Get rid of all this junk. Oh, shit. That's great. I'm going to go into our main section here. I'm actually even going to just maybe like go like this. Now the whole navigation section, the header section, we can rip right out. Perfect. Look, see? As long as we add, actually, I think it has a background. By default, that's okay. I'm going to use BG White. One main and one div here. See how that looks. That's really big. Why is that so big? Is this? Oh, it's that big. Oh, it doesn't go full width. Why though? Do you want this section to go full width? Is that in my layout maybe? It might be in my layout. I feel like I added the padding. Yeah, shit. So, yeah, we need sections to go full width. Anything? I don't think that would have done anything with it. Where is that coming from? Oh, it is full width. No, it's not. This is PY10 coming from. Under the nav bar, div PY10. Feels like it would be the layout. Ah, yes. Okay. Cool. That makes this irrelevant. Okay. Doing this MX auto here. Overflow hidden and one div down. Where's that coming from? Feels like it might actually be in here. Yeah, this is the one. It's got MX Auto. I want that. It's quite the convoluted little structure they've got. So, does the pattern go all the way out? The pattern's got like a blur to it, so I don't actually get to see if it goes all the way out. Now let's change this like a green. I don't like this. EX8, there it is. Padding bottom, padding top, padding top, padding top. Why are you still showing me margin? Feels like MX Auto is still applied. Oh, max width 7XL. Which would make sense. Okay. If I just delete those. Don't like this. I hate this game. I can always just replace this later. I'm just going to start hacking away. Rightmost images. And then I suppose start with the same thing. I'm about 2 seconds from going with the simplified version of this. Okay, forget it. Don't like this as much, but it's going to be far simpler to implement. I have a main section here already. Get rid of the header, don't need it. Get rid of this div, we don't need it. Let's see. I don't see a padding here at all. So this has got to be something else in my styling that's adding that. It has to be. Just hack it together like that. I don't like it. So if I'm going to do that, I might as well use the other one. I just don't understand why that wouldn't give me the full width. So let's see here. So I've got margin bottom, border white, flex call, gap 8. Like, I don't get this. Layout. Would. I did not see that. Okay. This should work. Go back, use the one I actually wanted. Make sure you just hit Control Z a bunch. There we go. That's what I wanted. Awesome. hidden. And then these bottom ones are going to need some kind of a wrapper here. So let's do that real quick. That just sticks that top one right to the top. We can start coming in here. We can add those paddings and shit. So, let's just try this. Make it simple on myself. What? Oh my god. Would max width do anything here? I wonder. All right, so I do want a minimum amount of padding though. So let's maybe do like this. All right, let's go work on this real quick. Let's clean this up. I don't super like it, but we're gonna work with it for now. this. Something like that. It'll SEO okay. Halifax Carnivores, blah blah blah. This bit can probably go. I don't know. Maybe I should do email. Just this. Something like that. See our selection, get in touch. Selection will take us to like the plant store. Maybe that should be /store. That would make more sense. And then get in touch can be the contact page. I like it. Let's fix some of these images. Let's find some other good ones. Sarah Alice or something like that. A couple of photos of that one. Yeah, those are cool. Let's bring that one in. Wicula. Sure. Gigantia. Penguicular Gigantia. Wonder what else I've got. How many do I need? 5 photos. I think we got like 5 we can use in here. Those 3 plus maybe 2 the Nepenthes or something. Okay. Not gonna worry about the alts just yet because these are gonna change. I don't know why I would worry about the alts. Let's just see where those go. Those are broken. Why? Oh, not JPEG. Derp. Okay, let's see how that looks. I mean, these are, again, just placeholders, but that looks great. That looks great. Other background there, this is basically just a shot of my hand. We can fix that one. Which one is that? Nepenthes 1, I think. Nepenthes 1. Nepenthes 2. Let's do another Nepenthes, I think. Or we could do the fly trap, because people love the fly trap. Let's do it. So instead of Nepenthes 1, I can close some of this junk here too. Instead of Nepenthes 1, let's do. Oh, that's a bad picture. Let's see here if we can find a better one. You know, it's fine. It's fine. We're just placeholder. Just placeholder for right now. Okay. Change this image, because that's gonna be my image at some point. There we go. And then it's got all these as well. It's got the changes, I think, by hand. Go. Polygon image is what we need. I didn't put it in here. Yes, maybe. Yes, the image isn't there yet. Let's put that there now. Oh. What image do I want to use? Use this one, but I want to like crop it. I'm sorry, why did I just say that? Did I not just save in the same spot I was just in? That seems stupid. Saved on the desktop. Alright, fine. Whatever. Okay. Oh. Oh, I see what happened here. Oop. Cool. Good enough. Good enough. Well, I do need to get some lunch. Come together. I think I'd just like to start working on the nav bar next and get that in good working order. I want to make it sticky on mobile. Man, we'll figure it out. I might just make it sticky. I like sticky nav bars. And Tailwind makes it super easy. Oh, it's not sticky. What the fuck? Is it not? I have to refresh? No, it doesn't do sticky. Oh, what the fuck then? That's weird. Alright, not gonna worry about it. I'm curious. I'm curious. I'm curious. Okay. Mm-hmm. Or sorry, position relative. No, how do you do sticky again? I thought that was literally all you had to do. Amgar. Oh, I think it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. In the nav bar, we do sticky top 0. I think that should work now. Oh, and I'm gonna have to do a C index. Ah, that's better. It's funny that I had to do that. Cool. I like it. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go get something to eat. It's lunchtime.